Alfie. In comes Alfie. Whoa, there we are. Fantastic. Alfie, you need to put your wing in and face the cameras. So Alfie today is weighing, Michael, do you want to have a guess at what Alfie weighs? It can tell us a lot about their health. So what? So, for example, if Alfie was to maintain a lot of weight every single day, well, that could be an indicator that the metabolism is slowing down. Now, we naturally see that when it starts getting warmer. So, Alfie today was 1,047 grams. So we've seen an increase in weight. That's because it's warmer. So the body's metabolism has slowed down. It doesn't need to bring it off for testing, but we're about to kind of have training so we can do it all on site. We do it the same day, and then we can get the results the same day as well. When you're ready, Hannah, come for me. Now I will say I have tried to train Alfie out of doing that for years. Alfie, even as a chick, would land on the glove and be like, "Oh, done, Alfie." So yeah, because Alfie's a dawn and dusk active owl, it means that by having these, come on. Oh, I didn't finish telling you about the egg actually. So the egg was infertile. Come on. So yeah, jump back in, crack the egg, and then that was that. But there's never just down there. There we are, look at that. Nice little glide. That's him kind of allowing himself to don't eat the wasp, please. That's him zooming in, kind of being able to see a bit closer on something which he's really interested in. And because of how incredible the eyesight is, just the other day he caught a grasshopper. Literally pounced into the long grass. I was like, what's it called? But it was a leaf grasshopper he caught. I was like, how did that bird spot it? So what do you think? Here we go. Right, 1 second, we'll try and reset him. So Margaret, just bring yourself just down here for me. Perfect. So again, we want to try and just climb across the wind rather than in towards these guys. Okay, right, Gary. Incoming. Good lad. Don't panic. Okay, right, Gary. Incoming. Good lad. Okay, let's give that another shot. Okay, don't panic, don't panic. Hopefully not. Gary, look at this. Chicken. Tasty. Not that you can really taste much, because birds of prey can't. It's believed they can only taste the difference between sweet and sour. And the same with the sense of smell. They have no sense of smell. Yeah, that's all right. The wasp tends to leave them alone once they're on. No, please stop trying to eat insects or rodents. He did once catch a vole actually. I was out doing the experience day with him, and he suddenly pounced into the long grass over there. And I was like, oh, he's caught a piece of grass. And got a bit closer, and I was like, oh, I didn't realise I didn't realise grass leaked. And I was like, oh, it's a vole. Yeah, so he did once go self-employed. Tasty. Not that you can really taste much, because birds of prey can't. It's believed they can only taste the difference between sweet and sour. And the same with the sense of smell. They have no sense of smell. Yeah, that's all right. The wasp tends to leave them alone once they're on. No, please stop trying to eat insects or rodents, shall we? Very short little distance hop. Perfect, well done. See, Margaret's not that scary. Now the buzzards, like I mentioned to you guys earlier, buzzards, they haven't always been the most common bird we've had in Britain. In 1996, their numbers were 16,000 across the country, and there was probably a point where they were lowering them. Now the only time Gary has ever had an interaction with another buzzard was a couple of years ago, but about a year ago. Fantastic. A little bit heavier, right? Yes. Now, don't worry if she does go and land on the floor first, because she's going uphill, it's a little bit more tricky for her. Fantastic. Now, she's got about a 6-foot wingspan, so she's not a small girl. She is an average turbines have only really just come into existence. Birds of prey, they will fly into wind turbines, and well, actually, you'd think, why do these birds not spot them? Because they are these big, moving, spinny things in the sky, and they should be able to quickly spot them. But the problem is that birds of prey have evolved to look down when they're flying because they're looking for an easy life for them, sadly. But there are things which are happening. There are poison response kits. There are. And what up? And when she's up close, you can see just how big that beak is. It goes all the way back to underneath her eyes, which allows her to go down to a carcass and be able to take a lot of that food. Let's go rest your arm for a minute.
Try and give them barbecues. They're not afraid of humans. They also have this technique of snatching. Oh. Yeah, you got one. Go on, Delta. Best flying piece of food, I'm telling you. Right. Come on, guys. Get ready. Who's gonna get it? Oh. I blame it on that. Yeah, awesome. Oh.
I didn't see it go.
I know, sometimes you don't. I'm always worried it's going to land on someone's head. I'm like, they will scavenge that. Oh, come on, guys. Oh, that was good. That was good, wasn't it? She's always the speediest when she comes in. She comes from such a distance. Oh, a little backslip. Didn't quite get it. I'm getting it.
I know I've got a few enemies, but Jesus, you know.
It depends.
Not another girl.